Good day students, welcome to class 9th and 10th mathematics class. Students, this is 5th maths online class of unit number 1. Before beginning class, we are requested any home task or activity given to you, solve it in your maths register. It's only for class 10 students, and those students they are in class 9th, please solve this exercise in maths copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of home task and activities. Now let's come to our topic today. Our topic is De Morgan's law, and before De Morgan's law there is one question from your textbook, question number 17, that I am going to explain. The question is, if A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal 2, 4, 6, 8, show that A symmetric B is equal, bracket open, A union B, bracket close, difference, bracket open, A intersection B, bracket close. Students, listen very carefully. When there is written show that, here you have to prove both sides, and both sides answer should come same. If answer is not coming same, so again you have to check your solution. The first question is asymmetric B is equal, bracket open, A union B, bracket close, difference, bracket open, A intersection B, bracket close. So first we are going to solve A in symmetric B on the left hand side. Asymmetric B, in the previous class I have told you there are three methods that you have to solve asymmetric B. So asymmetric B is equal, bracket open, A difference B, bracket close, union, bracket open, B difference A, bracket close. In difference, what we do, the set containing those elements that are in A but not in set B. So students, see here, 1 we cannot find in set B, 3 also we cannot find in set B, so therefore our answer is 1, 3. Now we are going to do inverse. Inverse means first we'll write B and after that we'll write A, B difference A. Here also what we do, the set containing those elements that are in B but not in A. So 6 and 8 we cannot find in set A. So our answer will be 6 and 8. Now what we are going to do, we've already got the answer of A difference B and we already got the answer of B difference A, and between these two brackets there is a union sign. Now both answers we'll write and find the union. What we do in the union, we'll write both sets elements together. So what answer will come? 1, 3, 6, 8. This will be the answer of left hand side. Now we are going to solve the right hand side. On the right hand side there is written bracket open, A union B, bracket close, difference, bracket open, A intersection B, bracket close. So first we are going to solve A union B. In A union B, both sets elements we'll write together, and those elements which are repeating or common in both sets we'll write one time. So see, 1, 2 we can find in A and B also, so how many times we'll write? One time. 3 is only 1, 3, 4 also repeating 2 times, so we'll write 1 time. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now the another one is A intersection B. A intersection B, what we will do, those elements which are common in both sets, that will be our answer. So answer will be 2, 4. Between A union B and intersection B there is a different sign. So what we will do, we'll write first both sets answers. A union B answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Between there is a different sign, put different sign. Then intersection B answer is 2, 4, write it over there. And what we do in difference, the set containing those elements that are in union B but not in intersection B. So we cannot find 1, 3, 6 and 8 in another bracket. So therefore our answer is 1, 3, 6, 8. Students, in the beginning I have told you when there is written show that, both sides answer should come same. So please look at the answer of the left hand side. The answer of the left hand side is coming 1, 3, 6, 8. Now look at the right hand side answer. So answer is coming 1, 3, 6, 8. So both sides answers are coming same. So hence it is proved asymmetric B is equal bracket open A union B, bracket close, minus or difference, bracket open A intersection B, bracket close. I hope you understood clearly. Now we are going to learn De Morgan's law, and it is very important. First, you must have to know the name of the mathematician that who introduced. Its name is Auguste De Morgan. The mathematician name Auguste De Morgan. He was born in 1806 and died in 1871, and he was a British mathematician who formulated De Morgan's law. Students, in set theory, De Morgan's law related three basic set operations. We find union, intersection and complement to each other. So the laws state that first law is bracket open A union, complement, bracket open A union B is equal to A complement intersection B complement. The second law is complement A intersection B is equal A complement U B complement. Now students, we are learning how to apply these laws. So the elements in the beginning there is written there are three operations: union, intersection and complement. So first elements are given of U 1 till 20. Elements of A are given 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 20, and elements of B are 2, 6, 8, 10, 14 and 18. Now we are applying the first law of De Morgan's. The first law is complement sign A union B is equal A complement intersection B complement. Students, when you are applying this law, both sides answer should come same. So the solution is here. Please look at very carefully. Complement sign A union B. I've told you wherever you see the complement sign, it means U difference, bracket open A union B, bracket close. According to the rule, wherever you see the bracket you have to solve first. Inside the bracket there is A union B is written. So first what we will do, we will find A union B. A elements are 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 20 and B elements are 2, 6, 8, 10, 14 and 18. And what we are going to find out, we are finding union, and in union we will write both sets elements together in order, and those elements which are repeating we will write one time. So our answer is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18 and 20. A union B we've already solved. Now U difference is left. So what we will do, because before bracket U is coming, so we'll write the elements of U. What are the elements of U? Elements of U are 1 till 20. Now we'll put the difference sign, because after U there is a difference sign, and A union B we've already find the answer. So what is the answer of A union B? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 18 and 20. In difference, what we will do, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A union B. So students, see here, 1, 2 is there, 3 is missing, so that will be answer. 5 is missing, that will be answer. 7, 9, 11, those elements which are missing in A union B, that will be our answer. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So this will be our answer, and this we have solved left hand side. Now we are going to solve the right hand side. Right hand side there is A complement intersection B complement. So first we will find the A complement, and A complement stand for U difference A. First we will write the elements of U, and then we will write the elements of A. And what we do, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. So see here also missing numbers. 3 is not in set A, 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 9 is not there, 11 is not there, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18 and 19. So this will be our answer. Now we are going to find out B complement. B complement stand for U minus B. First we will write the elements of U, then we will write the elements of B. Here is also what we will do, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set B. Please check it, the missing numbers. Missing numbers are 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16 and 17. Now we've got the answer of A complement also, and we got the answer of B complement. Between A complement and B complement there is a sign of intersection. Now we are finding the intersection of both answers. In intersection, what we will do, we'll write the common. So common elements are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Now students, please check the answers of left hand side. The left hand side answer is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19. And now check the right hand side answer. The same answer is coming. Same answer is coming. So therefore it is proved that complement A union B is equal A complement intersection B complement. Both side answers are coming same. Now we are applying the second De Morgan's law. In second De Morgan's law, complement A intersection B is equal A complement union B complement. Students, first we are going to solve left hand side. Complement sign is there, so that stands for U difference, then A intersection B. Wherever you see the bracket, first you have to solve anything which is inside the bracket, that you have to solve first. Inside the bracket there is written A intersection B, so first we'll find A intersection B. In intersection B we'll write the common elements. So common elements are 2, 8, 10. Bracket we've already solved. Now U difference is left, so first we'll write, because it is coming before the bracket, so first we'll write the elements of U and then we'll write the answer of A intersection B. So the answer of A intersection B is 2, 8, 10. In difference, what we learned, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in A intersection B. So these are the elements which we do not find in A intersection B. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now let's come to right hand side. In right hand side, A complement union B complement. First we'll find the A complement. A complement stand for U difference A. In difference A, what we will do, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. So see the missing sign in other set. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. Now we are going to find B complement. B complement stand for U minus B. Here is also the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set B. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17 and 19 and 20. A complement also we find and B complement also. Now between there is union. So now both answers we'll write and we find union. First I'll write the answer of A complement, so then write union and then write the answer of B complement. What we do in union, we'll write both sets elements together, and any element that is repeating we'll write one time. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now students, look at the answer of left hand side and look at the answer of right hand side. Both answers are same. So hence it is proved that complement A intersection B is equal A complement union B complement. So both sides answer should come same. Is it clear? Now the home task. Don't do question number 16. Those are Venn diagrams. When you will come back to your classes, then we'll do that sum. So you will do now question number 17 till question number 19 from exercise 1.2 from your textbook, page number 12. And students, there is another question. If U is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A is equal 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal 3, 4, 5, 6. So verify De Morgan's law. So both law you have to apply and solve it. Now students, thank you very much for watching this maths class. Stay home, stay safe.